Surah Al-Takwir, the unfolding. This surah is Meccan, containing 1 section and 29 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
إذا الشمس كورت
When the sun will be folded,
وإذا النجوم كدرت
and when the stars will fall,
وإذا الجبال سيرت
and when the mountains will be set in motion,
وإذا العشار عطلت
and when the 10-month pregnant she-camels are abandoned to roam free,
وإذا الوحوش حشرت
and when the wild beasts will be gathered,
وإذا البحار سجرت
and when the seas will be set alight,
وإذا النفوس زوجت
and when the lives are paired,
وإذا الموءودة سئلت
and when the girl who was buried alive is asked,
بأي ذنب قتلت
for what sin she was killed,
وإذا الصحف نشرت
and when the annals of deeds will be opened,
وإذا السماء كشطت
and the sky will be pulled out of place,
وإذا الجحيم سعرت
and when hell will be inflamed,
وإذا الجنة أزلفت
and when paradise will be brought near,
علمت نفس ما أحضرت
every soul will come to know what it has presented.
فلا أقسم بالخنس
So by the retreating stars
الجوار الكنس
that travel straight disappear,
والليل إذا عسعس
and by the night when it departs,
والصبح إذا تنفس
and by the morning when it breathes,
إنه لقول رسول كريم
indeed this is the speech of a noble messenger,
ذي قوة عند ذي العرش مكين
powerful, esteemed before the master of the throne,
مطاع ثم أمين
there he is obeyed, trustworthy,
وما صاحبكم بمجنون
your companion is not insane,
ولقد رآه بالأفق المبين
he certainly saw him on the clear horizon,
وما هو على الغيب بضنين
and he, this prophet, is not miserly in relating the unseen,
وما هو بقول شيطان رجيم
and it is not the recitation of Satan, the accursed.
فأين تذهبون
So where do you go?
إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين
It is but advice for all the worlds.
لمن شاء منكم أن يستقيم
For the one among you who wants to become upright,
وما تشاءون إلا أن يشاء الله رب العالمين
and you cannot want anything unless Allah, Lord of all the worlds, wills it.